Have you ever wondered how software like Salesforce is built? It all starts with the software development lifecycle.
Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, is a structured process used to build high-quality software.
Let's understand SDLC using a real Salesforce project for managing customer complaints.
Our customer complaints are tracked in Excel. We need everything inside Salesforce.
I'll gather all your requirements and prepare business documentation.
The business analyst prepares business requirements and user stories. Business requirements are managed using Atlassian Jira.
This solution can be built using Salesforce standard objects, flows, and Apex.
I'll define the technical architecture and integration approach.
During design, architects decide how the application should work technically.
I'm building custom objects, Apex classes, flows, and Lightning Web Components.
Salesforce developers use Apex, Lightning Web Components, flows, validation rules, and APIs.
Every code change is stored securely using Git. Bitbucket stores source code and manages collaboration between developers. Let's review the code before merging it into the project. CI/CD pipelines automatically deploy approved code.
I'm performing system integration testing to ensure everything works together.
I found a defect. I'm creating a Jira bug. I've fixed the issue. Please retest. SIT ensures the complete application works correctly.
I'll verify whether this solution meets our business needs. Everything works exactly as expected. The application is approved for production deployment. The approved solution is deployed from sandbox to production.
Now employees can use the new Salesforce application every day. Confluence stores project documentation, meeting notes, and technical designs. Every role contributes to delivering successful software. Business defines the need. BA gathers requirements. Architects design. Developers build. QA tests. Business approves. Release team deploys.
Salesforce projects follow the same SDLC, using powerful cloud tools for faster development and deployment.
Atlassian tools help teams plan, develop, collaborate, and deliver software efficiently. Software development never truly ends. Teams continuously improve applications with new features and fixes. Salesforce and software development with SkillsMate solutions. Learn real-world concepts and build industry-ready skills.